Short-term real estate investors, if you haven't heard, Airbnb is raising their service fee for you, the host, from 3% to 15.5% starting in December if you manage the property yourself on Airbnb. If you use a third-party service to manage it through Airbnb, that has already started. So you need to adjust your fees accordingly if you use Airbnb. Their prices have skyrocketed to owners or hosts from 3 to 15.5%, which is crazy to me. So tenants or people that are renting the property are going to have to pay more now if using Airbnb. So you might check out other sites like VRBO, which is a good one, obviously. And other sites, there's other ones, but I like VRBO if you're not using Airbnb. But I personally use both. So just wanted to warn you of this change. If you don't know about it, feel free to message me, or for details if you have any questions. Happy to help. Have a great day.